Hello friends, if you can see, this is the picture of histopathological picture in Robbins pathology. In this, you can see that this is a normal urothelium, that is transitional epithelium, which is almost 5 to 7 layers thick. And if you can see this transitional epithelium, the topmost layer contains an umbrella shaped cells. So these cells which you can see here, this is an umbrella shaped cells are present. Now below this you can see this has lamina propria. Okay, so this is the normal picture of normal urothelium. Thank you guys for watching my lecture. Thank you.